Hello folks, how you all doing? So, plan for today, I'm going to take a little drive over to my garage and see what bits I can get for that bike. Also a lot of parcels are turned up, so I'm going to grab them as well. I was going to go at the weekend, but well, I'll still probably go at the weekend once everything else has arrived. But yeah, I think I've definitely got some handlebars and various other bits and bobs. I need to sort the exhaust out on it. So we are actually getting a pipe bender here, so I may end up just making one from scratch. But well excited about this bike now. It's going to look bloody awesome. But yeah, in terms of our like quarantine and all of that jazz, I'm not actually going in the house. I'll just go round the back straight to the garage and glove up and all of that business. So yeah, should be fine. I won't have to quarantine. Obviously I'll have to clean all the parcels after. A few bits and bobs, some tools as well. Need to get my welder, and I might have some leather to make a new seat from. So that's part of it. There's not actually a lot of work to do on this bike to make it look really good. Most of it's going to be painting, but I've got to cut them 2 bits of frame just to shorten the back end off. I'll have to cut one of the rear fender, I'll have to cut that in half, make a new seat and exhaust, and that's about it. And then obviously figure out the tail light and turn signals and all that. Yeah, it's good project. Not sure what parcels have turned up yet, but there's a few bits and bobs to do, so it should be a successful journey. I think my new camera's coming today as well, so hopefully that'll be there. Just gonna let the chickens out and see what they do for an hour.
It actually came up. It went like this.
Oh my god! Oh wow!
And it came up.
Oh, fucking hard again.
You gonna get them in and chuck them out?
Huh?
You gonna get in and chuck them out?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can't undo them, can you?
No, we're gonna make a gate for them, but
That might prove difficult when we get back to taking them in. Who should do first? The dominant one.
whichever.
They're gonna squawk, you know that, right?
That's fine.
Freedom!
Whee! Who's next?
And then you. Ooh, all the new flavours.
Who are my friends?
Just instantly eating.
Yeah. Food.
Perfect.
All the grass. All the grass.
That's what they want, grass. Didn't realise they ate grass.
Come on, chiquitas. Where's the rattle can?
Oh, well, perfect.
Are you going to feed them out here?
No, I just want to get them out into the... Come with me!
Pied Piper a chicken?
Yeah. Come on, chiquitas. Follow me! It's working! Oh, we could totally race these.
The sprint.
Oh, we could chicken race them, yes. There we go. Grass. I know. Grass. Eat up, little one. You're going the wrong way. Run back to the coop.
I want to go home now.
Honestly. Oh, here they go.
That was so
All
confused.
The straw out here.
Oh yeah. Taking the wings.
Tick.
They've got trousers.
Don't believe it. All of this. And they go there. Good. I'm happy they're doing that.
Well, they've probably been looking at that fresh green grass all week.
Yeah, I want that bit.
The other side of the fence.
Grass is always greener on the other side.
Hard life. Oh my god, it's happening.
Yamboleast!
I know.
Yamboleast.
I didn't think that'd happen.
Predator. Your mate's got it. Only takes one. Feels nice, doesn't it? Feels like we're giving you a hand massage.
Bloody hell. Ah, that one caught me then. Yeah.
Oh, that was waterproof, that was.
Can you pour that in the fire?
That looks so funny.
Worms and everything. Oh, that one's treading lightly, I think so.
Oh, I think they've all been stuck.
Oh no. Oh
Eating
no.
their feet.
Poor little buggers. Don't go that way. Over there.
They've all got stung.
No, they
Probably the first time they come across stingers.
Yeah.
all just started nipping their feet.
They want to go home.
I think they do, don't they?
Right folks, journey successful. Got stuff out of the garage. Plus beer that I ordered. And a crap load of parcels to open.
You want to say anything?
Not really. It's just the ball ache of life at the minute, isn't it? But better safe than sorry. This is hot water and bleach, by the way. Folks, we are now on the new camera, so might need to tweak it a little bit, but yeah, how does it look? Going to be working on the bike for a bit. Brought the bars back, so going to change them over. See how she looks.
Different, that's made.
Yeah, that looks cool.
I wasn't going to discuss it, to be honest. So I'm thoroughly impressed now.
There we go. Easy peasy. Just nip the bars up so they don't move.
Oh, Christ. Oh, that's clean. Yes. Where's the Ferrari?
This is the Yamboleast. Yamboleast.
Very
There
focused.
we go. Completely different bike. Can you still get
over? Yeah. And I've got my slippers on. Stop recording.
Assume the position. This was made to be chopped.
Yeah, it's sick.
So, just to fill you in, obviously there it is with the bars, which work amazing. So I had them in my garage. Also, exhaust parts here. This is what we're looking at. So we're going to taper this one off, and I've got this piece here, which should slot nicely over there, and we'll come down to meet this one. We'll obviously cut that, and that's the exhaust done as well, just from spare parts I had lying around in my garage. What are the chances? This thing is going to look absolutely epic when it's done. This is going to be one hell of a bike. So all of this shiny is going black, all of it. All of the blue is going the same green as my van. It's going to be a beast.
Oh, boys with toys.
Right folks, that's it for today. My van is full of crap. I'll probably give you a talk through of all the bits and bobs that I bought tomorrow. But yeah, I'm going to knock today's video together now. Hopefully that'll be on soonish. But before I go, I've just whipped out the new LEDs for outside. Very, very, very cool. To give you a little sneaky peeky. Connected to my phone. So you can put it any colour. Yeah, get to do all sorts of things. So, and they're actually really nice quality. I've got some cases that it's going to go into. I may even do this tomorrow, but we shall see. Right, I'm going to leave it there for today folks, so I shall see you all tomorrow.